Hi guys, have you ever wondered from where rice, the yummy plate on our food, came from? Let me explain it to you through a story. There was a guy whose name was Madhav and he had a wife and a son. One day he was sitting in his couch and thinking, what do gods do in heaven? What do they eat? How do they live their life? He wanted to go to heaven. He shared his thoughts with his wife and his son. Then he left. When he reached there, he saw so many gods and goddesses. The god of water, the god of soil, the goddess of air, the goddess of wind, and the one that fascinated him the most was the goddess of grain. And her name is Annapurna. He went to Annapurna and told, "Oh God, I am fascinated with your grains. Please, can I taste a little?" Annapurna gave him a very fluffy and a white type of grain, which Madhav had never seen before in his life. He asked Annapurna, "What is this? What kind of grain is this?" Annapurna replied, "It's called rice. Every god and goddess eats this, and this is so delicious you can't imagine." Madhav tasted it and he just fell in love with that kind of grain. He wanted his family also to taste it. So, knowingly trying to outsmart the goddess, he asked what are the traditional methods to make all these grains. Annapurna told, "You use winnowing, threshing, harvesting, and many other methods." She continued for a long time. And then when she ended, Madhav silently stole 2 to 3 seeds without telling the goddess because he thought she is going to um, be angry on him. Then, when he came to earth, he cultivated the rice. Then the rice grew. Before giving it to the family, he gave it to the foot of goddess Annapurna. Being happy, Annapurna came down, but she got a mood swing of anger when she saw the rice which was cultivated on the land of earth. She was about to curse Madhav, but Madhav stopped her from cursing him. She said, "Oh well, I can't argue with you, but I can give you one punishment. Mortals like you cannot come to heaven freely and come back to earth. They can only come to heaven only when he or she sacrifices themselves and then they can reach hell or heaven." So this is how you can connect it. This is how that's why people first surrender themselves and then go to God, and that's why they can't return back. And also she told, whenever I wash my hair and whenever it falls on earth as raindrops, you can get to know that you can grow rice, and that is the perfect time to grow it. So guys, you can see it's relatable. Whenever monsoon comes, you can grow rice. And that's when Annapurna washes her hair. And that's why rainwater comes and falls down to earth. Really hope you enjoy my story. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.